This tutorial review will show you how to download and install the YouTube app on your iPhone. It's super easy process to download the YouTube app on your iPhone. First of all, unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Tap on the search box at the top and type here YouTube. And this is the official YouTube app. You have to tap on it. Now simply tap on this download icon and it may ask you to verify your app store. To do that, you have to double press on the side button or power button at the same time and the verification process will complete. And as you can see, my YouTube is started to install and it may take some time to successfully install the YouTube app on your iPhone. It depends on your internet speed. Once it's installed, tap on open to launch the YouTube app. Then you can sign into your YouTube account using your Gmail here. And then you can easily start to use the YouTube app on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.